In this video, I'm going to show you how to get ASTER token. Now, the first thing you have to do, you have to go to ASTER's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official ASTER DEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. Now, on here, when you are on the ASTER DEX, first, as I said, you have to connect your wallet. If you don't know how to do that, I have a tutorial on my channel for how to connect every single wallet possible, so just go ahead and watch that first. And then once you have your wallet connected, you want to be on the perpetual tab and you want to click on this deposit button. Now on here, once you click on the deposit button, you basically have to fund your perpetual account. You have to select the chain, so I just selected Solana, and then here you want to basically deposit the amount. So I, for example, have deposited Solana in the past over here, so it's still showing like this. You have to basically type in the amount you want to do, and of course you must have that amount on your wallet you just connected, and then click on the deposit button. So after this happens, you're going to have this pending order over here, as you can see, and it's basically going to be a pending deposit. And whenever you receive this, you're going to have some money on your perpetual account. After this, the easiest way to get the ASTER token is to basically convert that to your spot account by clicking the transfer button and transferring from perpetual to spot. So just go to the spot section up top, click on your wallet, click on transfer. And here, go from perpetual to spot and then select the amount of USDT or whatever token you're using to actually swap over, and then click on transfer. After that, you're going to be able to see your balance on here. So as you can see, there's my balance. And I can then go ahead and basically buy and sell the ASTER token. So to get it, you can just click on top left and then select ASTER USDT, which should be the first one over here. And then you can select if you want a market order, a limit order, or a stop limit, stop market, or post only. I'm just going to perform a market order over here. And then you can just go ahead and buy ASTER. So just select how much you want to buy. I think 5 USD is the minimum you can actually get. And then after that, click on the buy button over here. And your order will be submitted and filled. As you can see down here at the bottom, it says I've just bought this ASTER. So that's pretty much how you do it. That's how easy it is to get the ASTER token. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.